Alright, for this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to complete this Design and Software Skills 3.2 Illustrator, Shape, and Type on a Path. So in order to do this, we're going to create a typographic target using the word target all the way around. So I'm going to go to Illustrator, I'm going to go File, New, I'm going to create a new document that's 8.5 by 11 inches. Perfect. Start by creating a circle. Click and hold on the box tool. Go down to the Ellipse Tool, and I can just go ahead and hold this down. You can click and hold like that, or if I wanted, I could just double click and make this about like 4 inches by 4 inches, so it's a perfect circle. Got that. All right, now that I've done that, I'm going to click and hold on the text tool, go to Type on a Path. All right, I'm going to click on the path right there, and as I type around, I'll be typing the word target. Let me go ahead and change the color here. I want the color of my text to be red. So I'm going to change the color of my text to be red. You can see the color of the text is going to be red right there. I want this to be 18-point font. So I'm going to come up there, I'll type in 18, and then I think this is the font that I want you to use. So that's perfect. That's the font. Then I'm going to all capital letters type in TAR target. Whoops. Let me click again. MAD. Oops, I accidentally changed my font. I want to use the Madrid font. There we go. Alright, let me come in here. Type in target. Target. Oh, I want this to be bold too, I think. So let me go ahead and make this bold. Change this thing to bold. Perfect. So now that I've gotten two typed, I'm going to copy them, come in here, space, space, space. There we go. I think that will fit for me. Okay. Perfect. Now it says you want to copy this and paste the word target. Notice that it doesn't fit perfectly. Adjust this by selecting the entire with the type tool, and then I want to modify the font size so it does. So I select the whole thing, and then I want to modify this so it totally does. So 18 doesn't fit perfectly. Let's try 18.5. No, that's not working for me. Let's try 20. Maybe 18.1 might actually work a little bit better. 0.1. I thought that would have worked fine for me. Alright, might actually need the word target again. 18.2. Let's make sure we select everything. Let's just try different font sizes here until I get something that fits. 19. 19.1. Let's try 19.5. Alright, 19.5 actually seems to work perfect for me. So that's going to work out well. Alright, now I need to, I'm going to choose the blacks, choose the selection tool, and I'm going to click on the circle here. So I'll click on the circle, and then I'm going to copy this. So I'm going to go edit copy, then I'll do edit paste, and then this new one, I want to scale it. So if I go to object, transform, scale, it says just use 85%, 85%, click OK. That'll bring it down to 85%, and then I can just drag this one into here. Now here's something cool that you can do. We can select both of these, and then using align, we can align them horizontally and vertically centered. So that will, oh, that's not the one that I wanted. Vertical and then horizontal, just like that. So you do this one and that one. Here, let me show you how that'll work. So if I had this one and it was over here, as long as you have both of them selected, we go to align there, and then that's gonna, alright, so we went down to 85%. Let's copy, paste again. Let's go to object, transform, scale. Let's make the next one like 70%. That looks a little bit small, so I'm going to hold down shift, just kind of bring that up. Maybe that's a little bit big for me. Let's just go ahead and try and move that so it looks pretty centered. Alright, that looks pretty centered to me. Maybe a little bit smaller though. Alright, and then again I'll go to align and then align these centered right up. Control C, Control V. Go ahead and scale that down a little bit. Go to align, center, center. That's a little bit big, so let's scale that down a little bit more. Align, center, center. Okay. Then I want to copy, paste, scale it down again, align, center, center. Still a little bit big, so scale it down a little bit more. Alright, looks like we're going. I'll do one more. Control copy, control paste, hold down shift, do a uniform scale down, then go to align, center, center. Still a little bit big. Hold down shift, scale it down a little bit more, center, center. Perfect. Alright, now that I've done this, I just want to get rid of that plus on all these. So if I just, I can actually just delete that. Oops, Control Z. What I have is I have the word target too many times in here, which is why there's that plus. So if I just delete those two target words, there we go. It'll get rid of that little plus thing for me. See, I got word target twice. So let me delete and delete. Alright, let me try this one more time. Whoops. That's not the one that I want to be clicked on. Let's come in here. Let's like go to this one. Let me scale this back in here. I'm just going to move that one out of the way because it seems to be giving me some issues. Delete, delete, delete. That fits. And then let me delete these. Okay. There we go. And then I'll click on this one right there. Go to align, center, center. Let me zoom out of here because I do not want this. I don't want that at all. Alright, and then that took care of that, and I am completed with this project. Okay, hopefully this was helpful. Let me know.